Temperature is the measurement of heat. In Missouri, there are water quality criteria set for cold, cool, and warm water streams. It's important for all life using these streams that the temperature does not exceed that criterion. An increase in temperature can increase the toxicity of chemicals or compounds in a stream, such as pH or ammonia. It also increases metabolic processes in aquatic life, which causes stress and more oxygen consumption. Additionally, when temperature increases, available oxygen decreases as oxygen escapes the faster-moving water molecules. In the 2020 Missouri Water Quality 305B report, 116 miles of stream were listed as impaired for their designated use because of temperature. Water temperature in degrees Celsius is requested on all data sheets. The VWQM program issues liquid and glass thermometers. These thermometers use an environmentally safe alcohol or citrus-based liquid to measure temperature. Routinely check your thermometer for air bubbles or breaks in the liquid column. While measuring temperature is straightforward, there are a couple of tips to ensure your measurements are accurate. If using a single thermometer, measure air temperature first before measuring water temperature. Residual water on the thermometer will affect air readings. Temperature should always be measured in the shade. Water temperature should be measured in flowing water. A bright string can be tied to the thermometer so it doesn't get lost in the stream. Allow several minutes for the thermometer to acclimate. When measuring water temperature, it's also best to read the thermometer while it's still in the water.